Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Welcome all of my dearest students, guardians and honorable teachers of Fulgazi Pilot Girls High School and others viewer who will watch my video. All of you know we are facing a critical time of the world. It is called pandemic. We already lost most of our dearest, nearest person, friends, and our parents. However, thanks Almighty Allah to give us sons alive and to do something on the world for people, our students and others. We also thanks our Prime Minister, our Education Minister, and who are involved our education systems and to give us idea of online classes. We already passed long of time without our class in school, college, university and others educational institution. But our Prime Minister and Education Minister give us idea and also suggest us to take online classes for helping our students. Therefore, I and our others colleague involved to teach you or to sharing with you some of important topics. Okay, my dear students, let's take out your exercise book and your pen, because I want to share with you some most important grammatical topics. I believe that it is most important for you. Dear my students, at present I am sharing with you some common grammatical topics. These topics will be help all of you, the students of class 6 to 10 and others. I believe that. My dear students, now I am discussing with you letters, definition of letters, classification, words, making words, classification of words, and sentence and classification of sentence. Okay, please open your exercise book and at first take your pen and please write a question. What is letter? Okay, all of you already copied this question and please write the answer of the questions. Which symbol we use to write any language, this called a letter. I again tell you which symbol used to write any language, this called are letters. Here I am sharing with you the language of English. So the letters of English are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. You know, English letter are 26. Dear my students, now I am sharing with you classification of letters. According to the writing, the letters are two kinds. Number 1, capital letters, and number 2, small letters. You will see any sentence, any composition, any application. When we start, we use first letter capital, and most of the time we use small letters. Okay, according to the writing, letters are two kinds, small letters and capital letters, and other two kinds according to the pronunciation. Number 1, vowel, and number 2, consonant. My dear students, please write a question. What is vowel? Please write a question. What is vowel? Okay, here the answer. Which letter or pronunciation a vowel? Which letter or pronunciation without any other letters or any other letters help? Vowel are 5: A, E, I, O, U, and other kinds consonant. Consonant are 21. Okay, now we know what is consonant. What is consonant? Which letters are not able to pronunciation without any vowel? I again tell you, please write which letters are not able to pronunciation without any vowel help. Them are called consonant. Consonant are 21, such as B, C, D, F, G, etc. Okay, dear students, you already understood about letters, classification of letters. Okay, let's now we are sharing making word or about word. Please write what is word. What is word? Okay, now we are writing answer this question. When two or more letters gathers in a place and act out complete meaning is called word. Example: man, pen, tan, can, book, etc. Now we are sharing classification of words.